Hi, this is Teresa.
Hey, this is Jim.
And we're going to talk to you about creating a Screencast-O-Matic video. What exactly is screencasting? Screencasting is capturing what you are doing on your screen as a video to share with others. In addition, it can capture your voice and your face, so don't be afraid, we want to see and hear you. What is Screencast-O-Matic? It is a tool to do all of the above. It is a free web tool. There's no installation rights needed. There are no admin rights needed. You can do it either from home or school, or you can do it on a PC or a Mac. What can I do with screencasting? You can do direct instruction, remedial instruction. You can have a flipped classroom, or you can blend instruction. You can do weekly updates for students, staff. Their students can use it too and spice up their classroom presentations. So, how do I start? First off, put aside your perfection. Everyone is allowed to make mistakes. Know your audience. Make a general plan or outline of what you want to present. Goal is sharing and not perfection. So now, let's go to Screencast-O-Matic.com.
So the first thing you do is you go to Screencast-O-Matic.com and you click on this button here that says Start Recording. And many times it's going to take you to this screen. You don't need the Pro Recorder. The free one is just fine. And it's saying loading, and I might get this message. I don't get it every time. And I'm going to do that. And it takes a moment to open up. Sometimes it takes more than a moment, so patience is a virtue here. And there it is. You can see the lines here for Screencast-O-Matic, and you can manually adjust them. And there are other ways of adjusting them too. You can go down here to the size and choose the size you want, or go all full screen there. You can, up here, you have the screen, so we're going to be recording whatever on the screen. You have the webcam, and you can choose the webcam. Hey, Teresa.
Hey, Jim.
Or you can do a little bit of both there. And we're just going to do the whole screen right now. And so in this window, we've talked about the size. You want to make sure that that microphone is recording there. It says computer audio here, but that's for the Pro version. So to record, I go ahead and press this red button here, and it gives you a little bit of countdown to get ready. And go. And I'm recording, so I'm going to go like here to my Schoology class, and I might do a review of what we're doing this week in class as an update, or I might do some instruction or remedial instruction. And when I'm done, I press the pause sign here, and I can listen and I can record some more. It'll pick up from where I was, or I can trash it, or I can click done. I'm going to imagine I'm done here, and I'm going to click done, and I wait a moment, and this window opens up here, and for the most part, we want to choose Save as Video File. So I'm going to click Save as Video File, and I can put in a name here. I can change this name if I want to. I can put it in the folder I want to. I'm really going to recommend you put it in a folder on your desktop for beginning. I can choose Highlight Cursor. That means it's going to highlight the mouse wherever I go. And then I'm going to click Publish, and it's going to create that MP4 file with the name I have in the folder I want. So I click Publish, and you can see it starts to render right there, and it creates my video for me. So getting started with screencasting was that easy. Some tips we have: 3 to 5 minute video, that's good. 5 to 7 minutes video, that's okay. More than 7, think about chunking it up into separate videos. Remember, you want to save that video to your desktop and then move it to your H drive or wherever you want. It'll render a lot faster if you save to your desktop first. Remember, you aren't perfect, and neither are your videos. And don't forget, let students use this tool as well.
Now, how do you go about sharing your video? You can share it in Google Drive, Schoology, on YouTube, or use your imagination. How about that, Jim?
That sounds great. Thanks, Teresa.
So let's go forth and screencast.